How to download vector graphics in Canva. Begin by searching for the graphic you want to use. When you select a graphic, check if the Edit Image option appears at the top. If you see options to change the colors or if it says Edit Image, it's likely a vector graphic. If the graphic allows you to change colors, it is definitely a vector graphic. Zoom into the graphic. A true vector graphic will remain sharp without pixelation, unlike photos or raster images that will look blurry when zoomed in. Once you've confirmed the graphic is a vector, select it. Click on the Share button at the top right. Choose Download from the drop-down menu. Choose PDF for print if you want a scalable vector file in PDF format. This is ideal for printing or sharing documents that need high-quality vector graphics. Choose SVG if you need a vector file primarily for web use or further editing in other vector-based programs like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape. Note that SVG is a native vector format that retains scalability and quality. If you don't want any background behind your graphic, just the graphic itself, make sure to check the transparent background option. This is especially important when using the SVG format. Remember, exporting as SVG or using the transparent background feature requires a Canva Pro account. Once you've selected your preferred format, PDF or SVG, and made the necessary adjustments, click Download. If you download it as SVG, your computer might open it in a web browser by default. You can also open it in any vector editing software like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape for further customization. For PDF, you can open it in any PDF reader or editing software. If you download it with a transparent background, your graphic should appear without any background color, making it ready to use on any website or design project where the background can vary.